Where are we going, Ollie?
Boney Mountain.
I always saw Boney Mountain in the distance when I was a kid, and I heard it was one of the most difficult hikes in the area. But since I was a gamer, I never went outside. Finally, we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully we can make it. I'm kind of afraid that it's gonna be too hard because we have like really heavy packs now. I'm testing out my new camera equipment and have like a telephoto lens in the backpack. It's quite heavy, more heavy than I'm used to.
Okay, I'm getting the last bits of sunscreen. Okay, we're at the trailhead and we're gonna start our hike. Hantavirus and plague are among the known diseases that can be transmitted to you through contact with these animals. So we're about 15 minutes in if we kept walking, but I think it's already been an hour. Also, there's a problem with Eric's lens. It's really blurry in the distance, and so he needs to figure that out.
I feel like it's not that big, so the one I saw in the video was like massive.
Hey, we're almost at the tunnel. The layers.
Hey, we're almost at Danielson Monument, 0.3 miles away. This camera's a handful. Made it to Danielson Monument. Yeah, I think we're like a third of the way through or something. We only finished like the easy part. But the good news is that we're both not very tired yet, so I think it'll be good.
We can have another one.
The big problem with this step-up filter is that, step-up ring, I mean, it gets stuck on my UV filter and then I can't get it. Oh, this is the steep part of the hike, isn't it?
Can I turn around?
The hike is already getting a good bit steeper. The trail is really unmaintained and we're like going through dead trees and like crouching.
It's 1 p.m. and I feel like I'm dying a little.
Feeling now.
Probably halfway through.
Yeah, very sad.
It was nicer with it on. We just ran into an angel and he told us it'll be 30 minutes because he's been walking for 30 minutes downhill.
But it seems so far. There's
I know,
no
it
way.
seems really far.
This aloe pinched me really hard.
This is not aloe.
Okay, yeah, it's not aloe. Wow. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's like a very steep drop off down there. It's pretty scary.
So are you gonna put your camera away?
We're almost at the top and we just decided to put the camera away to test that out.
This shit heavy.
Dude, it looks like there's no way through.
We're almost there. I can feel it. And there's no one in sight. There's just so much crouching on this trail. Imagine going down.
Okay, I think we made it to the top, maybe.
It's 256. The peak, that one. But we're gonna eat lunch first at 3 p.m. Oh my god.
Wow. So we decided not to eat up there because it's a taller one back there. This is a $200 lens versus a $2,000 lens. Let's see which one. I'm afraid of it.
Be careful.
Okay, what am I eating?
You can eat some nuts. Or you can eat some snacks. Oh yeah. Brown rice and lentils.
They're really good.
Also pack some Halloween candy. And like some Chinese snacks.
Time to go back home. Okay, so I found my house. Not gonna show, but it's somewhere there. It's almost 5 now, and I forgot that because of daylight savings time, you know, sun sets like now. So yeah, I think we're gonna be hiking in the dark at some point. I'm gonna rush home now because like we're really losing flight, and I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to be out here this late, and we're afraid of wild animals. Okay, now it is. It is officially quite dark now. That's what this is. It's very dark now.
Visibility is like extremely low, but I still don't want to use a flashlight just yet.
Okay, the path is like really rocky and we're walking back in like pitch black almost. So it's pretty dangerous.
Hey.
This is like some horror movie shit now. Pretty tough. We just passed the monument. We did not stop for the monument. It's very scary and dark. Oh my god. This is the water area. And we keep hearing like animals and rustling in the leaves. Is pretty creepy. All right, we're almost back, but not yet. Allie's taking the rocks out of her shoe. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, we finally made it back. It's been like almost 3 hours, so 2.5 hours since the top. And yeah, over there is the parking lot. Yeah, this car creeped us out. Oh, we made it to the car. Oh my god, what a day. I'm like so desensitized from travel because like I feel like we went through a pretty scary experience, but it was so not scary in the moment. I don't know.